my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, it's that time to go ahead and unbox our curl box, okay? And this is for the month of April. For those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, oh, you are so missing out, but you have an opportunity to become a part of CURLBOX. So I'll leave the information down below. So if you would like to try it out for yourself, you can do just that. And they even offer a non-subscription box. So if it gets to be too overwhelming, you can switch right on over. So when we open up our box, beautiful. This is our description card for the month, and our theme is resilience. Okay, and let's see, April 2021, and inside we do have, of course, a coupon for the products that are included in this month's box. So let's just jump right in. And it says, this is the letter from our editor, and I'm just going to give you a little snippet. It says, if you're already equipped with a mind and spirit that bounces back like none other, we decided to gift your crown with HASK CURL CARE for the ultimate strand boost, okay? And this is the resilience box. So let's just check it out and see what's inside. Look at this. Full. Absolutely full. This is a line with a miracle blend of softening vitamins and replenishing nut oils. Resilience curls often have 3 defining characteristics: shrinkage, elasticity, and strength. Here's how to make sure your hair maintains. All right, so the first one we have, we're going to do it in order: shampoo, conditioner, and the like, okay? So the first item that we have in the HASK CURL CARE Resilience line, okay? Here's item number 1, and this one says, strength is born at the bowl. So using a vitamin depositing shampoo is perfect for maintaining strong hair. Your HASK CURL CARE Moisturizing Shampoo gives your hair a soothing dose of vitamin E, coconut oil, and argan oil to hydrate and gently remove buildup. Okay, and this is a 12 fluid ounce size. And this one is designed to maintain and protect curls, and there are no sulfates and no parabens. Okay, I don't know. Oh yes, I was getting ready to say, I don't know if I've smelled, hair care that smelled bad, but I do remember that one. Ooh. But this really smells nice. It has a very clean scent with a little, it's not overpowering, but a little bit of a nice fruity floral scent added in. Okay. HASK Clean Beauty says strict standards for us. Only the best formulas for you. And this one says for all curl patterns. And yes, it is a vegan product. And it's a clean beauty product. Okay, so that is number one, and that is the shampoo. The second one, of course, is our Detangling Conditioner, okay? And this one says, elasticity is usually the result of a consistent conditioning regimen. For curls that stretch, sans damage, or breakage, use your HASK Curl Care Detangling Conditioner on a weekly basis. This frizz-fighting conditioner provides an instant detangling slip while improving definition with argan oil, coconut oil, and softening vitamin E. If you're in need of more elasticity, opt for a deeper conditioning sesh with your HASK Curl Care Intense Deep Conditioner. So let's find that one. Okay, and that would be this one. This is the Intensive Deep Conditioner. Okay, so we have our detangling and the deep. Okay, or intensive deep. Okay, and this one gives that little extra oomph to it. So let's see what these smell like. Yes, okay, it's along those same lines. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that smells so nice. So nice. Okay, every time I think I've found exactly what it is that I need for my hair, they send me another box that seems like it's going to do the trick as well. So I promise at some point I will stop. Don't know when, but at some point I'll probably just start sending it to family members. But this one is also a 12 fluid ounce size. And let's check out the intensive deep conditioning. Okay. Yes, it does have that same scent. And this one is a curl activating complex for long-lasting frizz-free curl retention and definition. Quench and restore your curls with the HASK Curl Care Intensive Deep Conditioner. This rich luxury formula features a miracle blend of coconut oil, organic argan oil, and a vitamin E to add strength, softness, and shine. Okay. This is just smelling up my desk here right now. Okay, so moving right along. We still have more. We've already done 3 and we still have 2 more left. So then it says snapback. That's where we're going with this. Okay, and it says, though we don't always like it, shrinkage is good. Curls that can retain their shape are considered healthy and resilient. Okay, I get it now. Okay. But everybody loves a little hang time, right? To help keep your curl formation while achieving a little elongation, use your HASK Curl Care Defining Cream. Okay, and that's this tube right here. And it says this lightweight, humidity-proof formula enhances your natural curl pattern with a blend of plant oils. For a lighter fluff, smooth on your HASK Curl Enhancing Mousse, a creamy, unique non-drying formula that provides long-lasting definition. It's formulated to prevent your curls from losing shape due to frizz and humidity. Okay, let's check this out a little more, but I'm getting ready to put this in my hair. Okay, so this one is a 6.7 fluid ounce size. Yes, it still has that same scent to it, and this one controls frizz and hydrates curls. That's this one. This right here is the curl enhancing mousse, and it adds body and moisturizes curl. Now this one has a hold number on it, and here I'm sure it's a little too small for you to see here on camera. Can you see that? I apologize, it's a little warm here today, so the door is open. But it has a hold number, and for this one it's at hold 2. Okay, and this one is a 7 ounce size, and let's just see. All right, check out this top. Can you see the top? And I don't know if you heard it, but it gave a nice little snap. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Alrighty then. I was supposed to go and get my hair done, but I think I might use this first. See how, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's put a little more on the top. Now, even though it gives me some hold, it doesn't feel crunchy, which I like. And my hair really smells nice. Okay, so I have to admit, I'm liking this thus far. I just took out my twists. And I wish I had known this is what was in the box earlier, you know, because, you know, when I took my hair down today, if I would have known it was in there, I would have pulled it out earlier. But I'm looking at this picture here, so I think I'm going to go ahead and leave my hair in a natural state for, I think I'm going to leave my hair out like this for about, you know, another couple days. And I want to see if it's going to look as frizz-free as this picture. Okay? So that's where I'm going with that. And maybe I will have found my product. Maybe. Who knows? Okay. Well, y'all know this is my favorite box. Now you see why. So, nonetheless, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And these are the items that were included in this month's Curl Box. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price should you go to the retailer to purchase it. That is not including tax or your gas to get there, okay? So think about those things, convenience and $30, $25 for the products, and $5 for shipping. I'm just saying. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.